On an ordinary morning, Sammy was playing his usual video games. But on that day, he felt something strange happening around him. Sammy began to feel bored with his video games. Everything became repetitive. While searching for something different in his room, he noticed something shiny under his bed. He slowly crawled and pulled out a small, sparkling key that seemed to be made of gold. The key was strange in shape, adorned with inscriptions Sammy could not understand. Sammy, astonished, what is this strange key? Sammy looked around and then found a small door in the corner of the room he hadn't noticed before. The door seemed ordinary but was small enough only for a child. Cautiously, Sammy inserted the key into the lock. To his surprise, the door slowly opened to reveal a corridor lit with vibrant colors. Sammy, curiously, let's see where this corridor takes me. Sammy entered the corridor, feeling both excitement and awe. At the end of the corridor, he found himself in a completely different world. There was a huge city filled with games. The games he used to play on the screen had become real, and everything was alive. Sammy, amazed, is this real? Am I in the city of games? A beautiful doll resembling one of the dolls he used to play with approached Sammy. She wore a colorful dress and was smiling at him. Lulu, smiling, welcome to the Magic Game City. I'm Lulu, and I'll be your guide in this city. Sammy, joyfully, wow. Lulu, you were my favorite doll. How did you become real? Lulu, laughing, everything here in the Magic Game City can become real, including your games. But there's a small problem. We need your help. Then came a small soldier in a military uniform, looking serious but friendly. Rocky, in a deep voice, I'm Rocky, the brave soldier. We have a mission to save our city. Some games have become mischievous and are causing chaos everywhere. We need you to restore order. Sammy, confidently, of course, I'll help. What should we do? Lulu and Rocky began guiding Sammy through the city, where they faced multiple challenges. Each time, Sammy used his video game skills to overcome the problems. But he realized that success didn't come from skills alone but from cooperation and teamwork. In one of their days, they arrived at the castle of King Bobo, the ruler of the city. King Bobo was a huge and gentle bear, but he looked worried. King Bobo, sadly, welcome. Sammy, I heard about your bravery. We need your help to bring the games back to their nature and restore peace to the city. Sammy, determined, don't worry, we'll succeed together. Sammy and his friends started executing their plan. They calmed the mischievous games and returned them to their proper places. In this adventure, Sammy learned the value of cooperation and the importance of real play. Each adventure taught him a new lesson about friendship and respect. After they restored peace to the city of games, Sammy felt happy and proud of his achievements. But it was time to return home. King Bobo, gratefully, you've saved our city, Sammy. This key will always stay with you, so that you can return anytime you want. Sammy, smiling, thank you, I'll be back soon. But now, I'll return to my room and start exploring the real world around me.